Hey guys, what is up today? We're gonna do, let's just say Halloween is upon us, as you know, and we are gonna do a little video about, we're gonna do a video on pumpkins. We're gonna explode a pumpkin basically in After Effects. Since Halloween is upon us, and we're gonna make a pumpkin spectacular in After Effects with maybe some leaves falling, and we're gonna make leaves fall, and we're gonna explode a pumpkin. But we're gonna start with making a pumpkin explosion for this Halloween tutorial tech series we're doing for this October. So yeah, so that is what we're gonna do right now. We are gonna make a pumpkin explode. As you know, Halloween is upon us, and we're gonna do a pumpkin explosion out of this. So we have a pumpkin picture right here. Yeah, lovely pumpkin. This is a lovely pumpkin as usual. It's a PNG image. So we're gonna make this explode basically. I'm gonna shadow it basically. I'm gonna type up here on the effects panel under shadow, under the simulation, and what the heck? I'm doing a tutorial video, so don't email me or call me or whatever. And as you know, it goes to wireframe. We don't want wireframe. We're gonna just hit windowed file. I don't want bricks out of this one because, we're trying to make it explode. See how it's like that? It's got a bricks. I don't want bricks. So, I'm going to make it into, what would be good? Let's see, stars. Ooh, stars would work. Triangles. Puzzles? I don't want puzzles. Why the heck would I want puzzles for that? Crescents. Ooh, that looks like a spider web. Chevrons? I don't want chevrons. Glass? Glass is perfect. Perfect. Let's just move the shadow angle. You see how this is part like this? You see how it's like that? We're gonna make it. You're gonna fix that. You have to repetition. I have exclusion depth out of that. Move that a little bit down. Origin. Oh, well, this is just interesting. Let's see how that looks. Okay, so far it's like that, so I'm gonna add some voice. This voice is always good. Add voice to something. And a little radius. Perfect. Haha! We made it shadow! We made a pumpkin shadow for all you guys. You can add keyframes to this, but for this reason, I'm just gonna show you how you can actually shadow it without adding the stuff. We made a pumpkin explode! So yeah, that is pretty much it. We made a pumpkin heart explode. If you want to know how we did it, we just did it for you guys. So make sure you hit that subscribe button up there. Subscribe up there. And make sure you hit that little bell button. You know, the little tiny bell where you push notifications of when I upload my next video for you guys. Like this video. Yeah, that is pretty much it. Make sure you follow me all on it of @7design. And see ya, peace, bye, and yeah, that is pretty much it. Happy Halloween.